ain't a cup of joe. Smell like weed, man. Not the group there, the guy. And you can smell it, man. Woo! Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Oh man, that's a sinkhole. I don't want to fall in that. And of course, show a like. And yeah, the things come my way. That's what we like. I do want to go a little faster. I'm pressed for time. Gotta get that cup of joe going. Yeah, I gotta work today. And yeah, work is work, man. The work is not that bad. I'll get some stuff done. And in the downtime, I got a ceiling fan to hang. One or two. Yeah. Boards are shaking, not underneath me. I gotta charge my light. Now let me show you. Down here, my slow pans we do. You can see it saying 22%. I think I started at 27, 30 something. I'm not sure. And it's 2700, 2100 lumens on flashing. Doing a good job. I also got the tail light. That lasts like forever. It only takes an hour to charge. I use the solar to charge it. A 5-volt solar charging panel. Gets the job done over time. And then here I am, getting some energy running. What made my day yesterday was Ohio Fred and his family. Put a big smile on my face when I went out later to barbecue. Oh man, those canna lilies bloomed. We were out before. We didn't see it bloom or come up. Out of nowhere. And that area doesn't get sun 24/7. It gets sun like 5 hours or more. That's about it. Oh yeah, the front, they're doing good. That kind of things shifted. That plant stayed. Plants don't get up and go, do they? That was a cool bike. It was not so loud because it was going slow, cruising to the stop sign. I heard him from the distance. Yeah. Down below, underneath me, are trolley tracks. And they're running along. You can see the street that's broken up. You're not going to see it because they just passed one. And these train tracks will run along all the way down to the city. They chose to get rid of them. Imagine all that crack line that you see here. That's a trolley track. Imagine they brought them back. Oh yeah, just imagine that. Not the pigeon. Nice shot indeed. I gotta check a video or two out about the Corolla. Trying to find how to adjust the gas pedal. Just bring it up a drop. I can't find the fly wire, so I think I don't have it. My older Corolla had it. It was up front right there. A little spring, a little hook, a little tension. Oh, I found it all right. This one, oh man, I looked and looked and looked. Behind me and over there, they're digging up. You know why they're digging up? One day a speed camera will go in there. Oh, conserve energy, shut Ohio Fred's tunnel lights out. He couldn't pay the bill. I got a gift card. I got a couple of things coming back to the gift card. And I'm going to take a gift card and save it for this. I'm going to take the other gift card and save it for that. And use it for that. So I got two things I want to do with the gift card. Alright, so it's that time again. I'm going to put the cam into the pocket. So it could have been called the pocket cam or the cam pocket. Well, the GoPro Jazz, the GoPro Jam is not coming out. It's not going to come out for a long time, for a long period of time, until I can get it to work. Well, people, again, I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot, and shared a lot. So I see you on many other videos to come. Now the thing is, I got a lot of work to do, like I said. I got my videos up there in order. I got more coming, and rainy days are coming, and I got a lot of editing to do and share for all. On that note, I'm Fish, and I'm out of here. Ooh, before I go, are you a highway or a side street person? Let me know down below.